This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rachel Warren. This beautiful and well-built home in desirable Woodhaven is full of natural light, has a great flow and feel to it, and many recent updates. Inviting, open floor plan. On the main level, a large eat-in kitchen that flows into the living area, an office, and a formal dining/flex room, hardwoods and LVT. 4 bedrooms plus bonus room upstairs. The spacious owner's suite has ensuite bath west/shower, jacuzzi tub and walk-in closet. Entertain, grill, and let fur babies run the large fenced-in yard, or even better, hit the greenway that takes you to the elementary school, high school, alongside a babbling creek, and to the local library and French Memorial Park. Convenient to UT in downtown Knoxville, 8 miles, the airport, 10 MLS, and the Great Smoky Mtns, 25 MLS. Home warranty including .Showings start Friday 4/1. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Warren at 865-687-1111.